Hello beautiful buds, welcome back to my channel. So I'm coming at you guys from my brand new apartment in Washington. We literally drove all night. So we left at 4 a.m. yesterday and we got here today at like 4. So we're here and we don't have anything set up yet, but the apartment is so nice. So I thought I would do like a little empty apartment tour so you guys can see what it looks like. And then I'll obviously do like an apartment tour once we get everything like set up. Maybe I'll do like a decorate with me. Okay, so you walk in the hallway, and this is like the weirdest hallway. I don't know why this exists. So in this door, we have our washer and dryer unit. Then turning the corner, we have another closet, and I think this one's gonna be for like shoes. I've already like started sticking a few things in here. Then on the right side, we have this closet here, which is just closet space. Ooh, these doors are really light. So that'll be a good place for like our vacuum and stuff. Then over here we have 2 bedrooms. So this one on the left right here is gonna be mine and Matt's, and that's because it has the bathroom connected to it. So this is pretty standard, big white room, gray carpeting. It does have a walk-in closet, which is super nice, and I'm really stoked about this because look at all the space. And then this is our bathroom. The first thing that I did when I got here was went to Target and got a shower curtain so that I could shower since I've been on the road for, 24 hours. But yeah, nice bathroom. Hi, that's me with my wet hair and no makeup. Pardon me. Bedroom is the guest bedroom. And it's pretty much the same. Big white room. They have a closet as well. Nice and big, also same deal. So this is definitely my favorite part of the apartment. Obviously, we have this huge like 9.5-foot peninsula with this quartz countertop, which is awesome. We have our nice stainless steel appliances, I love the pendant lighting, and this is absolutely huge, which is amazing, and I'm absolutely in love with it. So this is what the inside of the kitchen looks like. We have a trash bag going there for moving stuff. But we've got lots and lots of storage, which is cool. Our fridge is a side-by-side and has a water dispenser, which I've never had. I'm so excited about. And then we have this big sink. And it's got one of these guys that like pops out, and I'm so happy about it. It's gonna make dishes so easy. So that is it for this empty apartment tour. I will be doing like a regular apartment tour once we get it all up and decorated. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss that video when it comes out, because I think this place is gonna look incredible. As usual, I hope you guys are having an amazing day wherever you are, and I will see you guys all in my next video.